Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Oh! Yeah! You know what me and the wife are gonna have for the next few days? Taste of sweet peas. That's how gorgeous it looks. You'd buy that at a deli. Spend 20 bucks. Unless it doesn't taste good. Let's try it. You taste everything that bite. It's a little, let's see how it tastes. Oh. I gotta tell you, this tastes just like a Reuben. You can see some of the yolk is just, I guess it's perfect. Ah. See it? You eat it just like this. Ah. First thing that hits me is the sweetness of that tomato. Let's try it. But it ain't killer diller unless it tastes. Ah. Oh. So killer, you gotta eat it with a spoon. Oh boy. Flavor bomb. Ah. Oh my. Hey, look at this burger. Alrighty. Perfect burger. No smell in the house, no smoke, nothing. The key to the greatest sandwich of tomato variety ever is good tomatoes, lots of mayo, and Foster love. Ah. It all works. First, oh, that's hot. A bite without the tartar. Here's a chip. Whereas in America we call them fries. Let's get one more close-up and a big bite. Ready? Ah. Ah. I'm getting that cheese. As they say, nothing to do with what to do. Oh. That's gonna be for the big bite. Let's get a big bite. Here we go. Now I gotta tell you, it tastes like lasagna. Lasagnelet. Ah, you're gonna get the protein of 3 eggs, which is a good way to start your day. You're gonna get the deliciousness of your omelet, which is probably not the best way to start the day. But this tastes pretty good. Now, if I open up a restaurant, would I serve it? Who knows? I'm gonna say it's the Baby Babu. Not the biggest one. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Tell people about it. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Meet you at the stove. No. Let's get that lasagna ready. Duh. Is that still on? Francis. Some people say, oh, you should put it in the oven. Yeah, okay. Make your video and show me how it's done, buddy. You know, those are the stupid people. These are things I know. But thanks for the comments and suggestions. Okay, that's a little off center. It's not good. He screwed that one up. Here's a noise. That was a good bite. Here's a piece of drop. Craziest one ever. Baba.